Hello, so this is the Fuji X-T2. This is the lens of the camera. So the lens is overall in a very good condition. There's no visible fungus or haze from what we see right here. Okay, just some normal light dust, and it's very normal for this kind of old camera to have normal light dust. Okay. The light seal, everything is renewed already, and the body is good as well. Alright, this one is a self timer, and it is also semi-auto. That means that you don't need actually need a battery for it to work. So you can use it as a fully manual camera, or you can use it as a camera that has a light meter. Okay, so this is for you to change the ISO. You put this up, and then you can change the ISO and everything right here. And then from the viewfinder, you can see that there's a thing right there. I'll show you later. And first thing first, what we're going to do is instead of raw film first. So I'm going to show how to instead of film. Okay, so just put your film inside of the slits right here. Okay, afterwards just pull it like this. Okay, afterwards put it one time. Okay, make sure that it's loaded properly already. Close the cap. Okay, so this one you turn it this way, and make sure that when you turn it, this one it moves now. So when it moves means that the film is loaded properly already. Okay, so next you're going to see that your film counter is moving as well. Okay, now I'm going to show the shutter speed. So from bulb mode first. Okay, bulb mode, everything is good. Okay, and then that's 1/2 second, 1/4, 1/8, 1/15, 1/30, 1/60, 1/125, 1/250, 1/500, 1/1000. So yep, usually we recommend you that to not shoot under 1/60 lah, because if you shoot under 1/60, right, there's a possibility that your hand might what do you call that, like might shake lah, and that's why your photo might come out blurry lah. Okay. And this one is the right here. Okay, show the aperture blade. Okay, so our aperture blade and everything is still working as well. Okay, and I'll show you the viewfinder as well. Okay, so this is what you're going to see from the viewfinder, and when you half press it, you can see that it tells you if it's overexposed or like stuff like that lah. If it's plus, means that it's overexposed lah. Okay, you see if it does if it's on the O sign right there, means that it's okay lah. Okay, so this one is underexposed lah. And then you can also see that there's a shutter speed sign right there. It tells you what's the shutter speed you're using right now. Okay, so yep, everything's good lah. There's some light dust on the viewfinder. So, and to lock it, just push it like this, and then you cannot press the shutter anymore lah. Okay. Alright, the self timer. Just now I showed you already. So I think it's good for this camera. Okay. So next, after you shoot until 36 already, you can just press the button right here. Following the arrow, just turn it. Okay. Make sure that you don't pull up like this. If you pull up like this, means that the photo is all gone lah. Okay, when you feel that it became loose already, just go ahead and pop it up. Then yep, the film will be turned on lah. So yep, basically that's it for this camera.